Hi there, guys and girls. Good morning. We're still here in Legazpi area, Tabaco. We just stopped by for fixing this bus, and according to this mechanic, I asked him why is it that they fix it only right now, and he told me that they just find out they're in satellite terminal some troubles. That's why they dropped this bus here to get fixed.